lay the ramps all out together like that, maybe tie them together, and then just whoosh, sketchy. Very. Oh. I got the backs tied down from both sides. Good morning, guys, and what is good? So today is the day before we're going to the track, and today we have to prep. So today I have to load the track up. We're gonna load all the bikes up, get all the gas, all the gear, everything pretty much. So check this out, guys. The Miata's right here, and this isn't the work truck that I use, so I got to use this truck for the track. So it's a Chevy 3500 HD, a huge truck. It's a dually. So look at that. Unfortunately, it's not a diesel, but as you can see, it's a dually right there. But this is a truck we use for the marble and granite company. In here, if you can see, it has like a lot of room. It has a huge bed. It's like an industrial truck. I got ramps too at Home Depot. I rented them, so let me show you guys. These are the ramps I got. I got 2 sets, so I have 4 ramps. So I have a lot of room to go up and down. So these are the ramps. I'm gonna park the car. I'm gonna back it into a driveway, and then I'm gonna put the ramps like that down, so I have kind of less of a steep angle. And then I'm gonna load the bikes in. So let's see how it works. My friend Cole is gonna come by and help me right now, so just in case, so he can hold the ramp so then slide off the truck. Yeah, guys, this is the truck that we're gonna take to the track. So today is gonna be the full track day prep, because tomorrow at 5 a.m. probably we're gonna leave. So alright, guys, let's get these bikes loaded up. Alright, guys, I think this is gonna be the best way to do this. So this is what I did with the truck. So I have the truck right here backed up against the driveway. If you can see, it's a pretty steep driveway, but I have it backed up against the driveway, so it's basically at its lowest point right here. So I can put the ramps, they're gonna be fairly straight. And yeah, let's get these bikes, guys, and get them loaded up and get them tied down. I'm really excited for the track. It's my first track day, and it's gonna be insane. We're going to Willow Springs at Horse Thief Mile, and it's gonna be an awesome track day, guys. I can't wait. Like that track is supposed to replicate the California canyon roads and the camber and like all the turns. So yeah, guys, here, check this out. I got all the ramps out of the truck. Now the bed is open. Now we're gonna lay the ramps all out together like that, maybe tie them together, and then just whoosh, ride the bikes up there and tie them down. So let's get it. Alright, guys, so I got the ramps all loaded and situated up kind of. I tie them together so they kind of stay together. So my friend Cole right here, before work, he stopped by to help me hold them so they don't slide. No, I don't drop the bikes, but let's go grab the 2 bikes and take them up and load them up. Let's get it. Woo! Sketchy. Very, oh shit, very sketchy. Don't throttle it out, bud. I'm standing right here. I might like have to like walk it up. That's the best you could do. Be careful with that, bro. I would just put it in neutral and walk it up. No, you can't do that, bro. It'd be hard, but if I'm helping you. Woo! Come back. Woo! We got the bike, the first bike up, one down. It's been secured. All right, we got the heaviest bike, guys. We got it up. Now we have to get the lighter bike off here. So should be a bit easier. Peace out. Ooh. It's so much lighter. Yeah, for real. Yo guys, to the camera. It's drizzling right now too, so the ramps and everything is slippery. So
look at that water.
Woo! We got the other one, guys. And we got the last bike up. Now it's time to tie them down. Hold on. Let me show them how to go with the bike out. Alright guys, so we got both the Ninjas loaded back up on the truck. So this one's going to be right here, the 400, and the 636 is going to be a little more forward. We're going to tie them down. There's anchor points at the bottom and then probably up to the top right here. I don't know, I'm going to figure it out right now, but yeah, both the bikes are loaded. These ramps are good. So
he already prepped it for you. You just ratchet it together.
Alright guys, big thank you to my homie for stopping by and helping me out before work, because could have done it alone, but it was safer to have someone holding the ramp. So yeah guys, and I got the backs tied down from both sides, from the right and the left for both bikes, as you can see right there. So that's how it is. There's gonna be one strap right there, and then one strap coming right there, and then we have stuff to put a strap. Actually no, it's on the wheel right there. There's a strap coming right there, and the strap going right there. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the front on the bars. Probably gonna, that's what I'm gonna do right here. So I'm gonna probably hook into like something right here, like right here and right here, and then go down over diagonally over there. So I'm gonna, that's good. So what I'm gonna do next on these bikes to strap them in. So let's do that. Yeah, actually I don't like this strap right here. It's too low. I need to mount the strap something probably to there, so it has more of like a pull down. So let's figure that out, but the bike's in the way, that's the problem. Alright guys, so after all the hard work, pretty much I got it figured out. Just in the back though, I got the back figured out, but yeah, this is how the tie downs are gonna look right now. As you can see, it's just going down, but the hardest part was this part right here. So as you can see, I had to wrap that around here, and then I had to go through the wheel of my bike down there to kind of attach these bikes, but they're very solid now. Like you can tell just by being strapped in the back only, not even the front yet, they don't even move, so that's good to know. But yeah guys, let's do the fronts and stay tuned. Alright guys, what's good, so the bikes are fully loaded up, everything is strapped out front and back, it's done. So all I have to do is close the hatches on the sides, like these ones and that one. But yeah, the bikes are fully strapped in front and back. Let me climb on the truck and I'll show you. It was a process doing all this, but check this out. So yeah, basically they're each corner, they're like X tied. There's 4 tie down points for each bike. Took a little bit of time. I've never tied anything down to this truck at all, so but these things are in there. If you like, you shake them, you wiggle them, these things are not moving at all. So let's see here, let's climb further onto this truck. Oh, it's sketchy. But yeah guys, check this out. Those are the bikes, and then they're all strapped in and ready to go. So I think they're not going anywhere. They're in here, so yeah, let's get all the other stuff ready guys, the gas, the gear, even food for tomorrow, and let's go watch some videos of the track just so we can kind of get an idea, learn it a little bit. So that's always good to do, because I've never been to that track, or any track actually, to be on bikes especially. So yeah, it's a first. So guys, come on this trip with me guys, so you guys can, if you're planning on going to the track for your first time. So yeah, so if you're planning to go on the track for your first time, you're basically in my shoes right now. So we got the bike strapped in. This is my friend Gigi's bike. This is my bike, and we're leaving tomorrow at like 5 AM. So yeah guys, let's go get the rest of this stuff ready, and let's close the truck up, and we're all done. Guys, this is how you know your straps are tight. Listen to this one. Super tight. All these. Yeah, pretty tight. Nice. Alright guys, so as you can see now, the bikes are back there. I'm going on a little test cruise to see how they perform. I'm gonna go over some speed bumps, things like that, just to see kind of how they perform. And they don't fall off or tip over, so far so good. I don't know if you guys can see, but here, check this out. That's the bikes right there. Little brake check right there, let's check the brake. Okay, they're solid. Okay, that's good, good to know. Alright, let's go over some speed bumps and hopefully like they're all solid. And I'm gonna check the ratchet straps one more time just to make sure they're all tight, and then going over some speed bumps just to see. Okay, they're doing fairly well so far. Nice, nice. Alright guys, there's a speed bump coming up right here. We're gonna see how they do. We're gonna go a little quick. Boom, boom. Bikes are doing totally fine. Okay, here, let's do one more speed bump. You guys, let's see how the bikes, but I did like 5 already. Like, all right, let's see, one more speed bump. Let's see how good they are. Ready? Boom. Okay, okay, a little bit of movement, but not that bad. So a little turn right here. All loaded up, ready to go. You just went on the test drive, everything's secure. Straps are secure, look at them. Little dragons, look at them.